Let's do a wedding hairstyle together. So we're going to be doing a pretty side bun today. So I popped in some hairstyling cream, and then we're going to take a section. So you go from the further side of a head down to where sort of like the corner is, and you just do a nice little horizontal line. Brush the hair down with a soft brush to keep it super smooth, and then we're just going to pop a tiny bit of hair wax at the front. You don't always need to do this, but Poppy has very frizzy hair at the front, so it just tames it down. And then we're just going to pop in a little elastic. Make sure that ponytail's nice and loose, because then we're going to pop in a topsy tail tool. So we're just going to take that hair through the tool, pull it down to create a nice little effect, and then we're just going to pull out that hair. On the opposite side, we're then just going to take a brush, pop in again a small amount of hair wax, not too much because it makes it greasy, and the hair will begin to separate. So I only put in the tiniest bit, less is more. Pop in a loose ponytail and pop that topsy tail tool in, and then just pull that hair down. And we're going to do the same thing as we did on the other side, and we're just going to pinch it out a little bit. Then we're just going to take the two strands of hair and we're going to twist them in the same direction. So we're going to do a rope braid with this. So you twist it in the same direction, and then you're going to take it in the opposite direction. I'm going to show you most of the rope braid just so you can see what I'm doing. So when you do your rope braid, you need to make sure that you are twisting the hair as you go along with it. Try not to get it a bit, like it got a little bit messy there. So I just make sure that the hairs don't get caught up in the wrong places. So just, keep it nice and neat. Twist it as you go and just keep it in tight so it doesn't flop anywhere. And then when you get to the end, you're just going to tie it off. I use a clear elastic the best way. Now, when I did this, it does pull the hair about a bit. And I don't know, it just went a bit flippy here. And the only way to correct this, is either take the whole lot out, or you can do what I'm doing. So I put a little comb inside the hair, and if you take it along, you can just brush the hair and it will just even it out and make it smoother again. So it takes out the bumps if you insert the tail end of that rat tail comb. So then we're just going to take that rope braid. So we're going to take it round, and when we take it round, we're going to pop in some hairpins. When I put the hairpins in, where I've done that topsy tail and the hair is a bit thicker, we're just going to aim to pin it through there. So you need to be careful when you're putting hairpins in, especially like now we have hair that's parted. So the scalp is very exposed. So just make sure when you put them in that you don't dig them into that scalp, and you're just putting them into the hair. So it always helps, like I say, if you have the topsy tail there, then it just provides like a little anchor. When you take the hair round, make sure that you're filling the space. So just think where the hair needs to go to look pretty, basically. When I take mine round, I have a look at the hair and think which space needs filling, how I cover the pins and things like that. So when you put your pins in, try not to have them exposed, try to cover them up. So if you put your pins sort of under the hair, more to the side and within the little rope braid that we have, then it will just disguise it more. Just try keep them covered as you can, and it will look so much better for it. Now, again, doing this, I've kind of messed up the top a little bit there. You can see that the hair has gone a little bit ski whiff. So again, I'm just going to go in with the comb and just correct that. I even did put a little pin in there just to take it down and stop it being a bit, I don't know, it just doesn't look right when it looks like that, Sometimes you kind of have to decide, do I start a whole thing again, or do I just correct it? And this time I just corrected it, especially with kids, because they don't have a lot of patience. And there you have at the end, you see, guys, so I put in that little side piece. That accessory makes so much difference, and there is a very beautiful hair bun. I hope you like it, and please subscribe for more.